Battery recycling has roots going back more than a century. Lead-acid batteries powered vehicles for decades and were widely recycled.
Inside are valuable metals such as lithium, nickel, cobalt, and manganese. A single EV battery pack can weigh hundreds of kilograms.
Eventually, the technology expanded into electric vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries quickly powered laptops, smartphones, and portable devices.
The introduction of lithium-ion batteries in 1991 changed the energy landscape.
By the 1990s, more than 95% of lead-acid batteries were recycled in the United States.
Mining these metals requires enormous energy and environmental impact.
Millions of electric vehicle batteries reach the end of their life every year.
Inside these metal boxes lies a hidden treasure of valuable materials.
Modern recycling plants are designed to safely recover those materials. Inside these facilities, powerful machines transform waste into valuable resources. Each battery pack can weigh hundreds of kilograms. Every battery must pass strict safety checks before recycling begins. Thermal monitoring ensures no pack is overheating. Approved batteries move to controlled storage before processing. Before disassembly, all remaining energy must be safely removed.
The stored power is discharged and often reused within the facility.
The outer casing is carefully removed to access internal modules. Inside are dozens of individual battery modules. Each module must be separated for safe processing.
Materials like aluminum and copper are separated for direct recycling.
The remaining cells now enter the most intense stage.
Cells are shredded inside oxygen-free chambers to prevent fires.
Powerful blades break the cells into small fragments. The crushed mixture becomes a valuable powder called black mass.
Magnets remove steel components from the mixture.
Airflow systems separate lighter plastics. Screens sort particles by size for chemical recovery. Thermal treatment removes organic binders.
High temperatures prepare the metal for extraction.
Advanced filters capture harmful emissions.
Now the metals are extracted through hydrometallurgy. Acid solutions dissolve lithium, nickel, and cobalt.
Chemical reactions separate valuable metals.
Filtration removes solid waste.
Solvents separate metals one by one.
Purified lithium forms battery-grade crystals.
Nickel compounds are recovered for new batteries. Cobalt is another critical metal reclaimed from the process.
The recovered materials are dried into stable powders.
Every batch is tested to ensure extreme purity.
Engineers verify purity levels above 99%. Finished materials move to automated packaging lines. Drums are sealed and labeled for shipment. Each container carries full traceability data. Automated systems prepare shipments. Recovered metals are stored before global distribution.
Soon, these materials will return to battery factories.
Recycling plants are shaping the future of clean energy. These recovered metals will power tomorrow's vehicles. What once powered a car will soon power another. Inside the warehouse, finished materials move toward global distribution. Each container is digitally tracked for full traceability. Some materials are packed into heavy-duty industrial bulk bags. Each bag is sealed to prevent contamination. Protective wrapping stabilizes cargo for transport.
Safety labeling ensures compliance with international shipping regulations.
Recovered materials are stored in climate-controlled warehouses.
Control systems coordinate the flow of materials across the facility. Prepared shipments move toward outbound logistics. Forklifts load valuable materials onto transport trucks. From here, the recovered metals begin their journey back to battery factories. These crystals will soon become part of new electric batteries. Nickel compounds provide the energy density modern vehicles need. Cobalt stabilizes battery chemistry during charging cycles.
These materials are prepared for battery-grade cathode production.
Recycled metals travel across the globe to battery manufacturers. From ports and railways, these materials return to the supply chain.
Many will soon arrive at the next stage of production.
Here, recovered metals are reborn as new energy storage. Those cells are assembled into powerful battery packs. The cycle of materials continues.
Soon, the battery will power another vehicle.
and begin its life on the road. One day, the materials may return here again. Many recycling plants now run on renewable energy.
Strict monitoring protects the surrounding environment. Water treatment systems prevent chemical contamination. The process runs around the clock.
Day and night, machines break down old batteries.
Chemical processes extract valuable metals.
Logistics continues without pause.
Each day brings more batteries to recycle.
Recovered metals are ready for the next generation.
This is where waste becomes opportunity.
Human expertise powers this transformation.
Old batteries are not the end of the story. They are the beginning of a new cycle.